Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a vlog on these little ducklings. Look at them, look at them. They're in the water and they're swimming. They love swimming. Yes, yes, I know. Peace is like, huh? What? How dare you touch my babies? Okay, stop it. We're sorry. We're not trying to touch them. I'm not going to hurt them. Please don't.
How old are they?
They are a week old, so that means they can swim. Is that awesome? Isn't that cute? Yeah. That's loud, baby. That's a booty. Can we get you a little wet? Can we get a little bit more? There. Get a little bit. Sorry. There you go.
And what is the green stuff in there?
That is peas. We put some in there, but they're not really liking it. You don't like it. You don't like it. Oh, come here.
This is the first time they've been put in water.
So they don't know what's going on. No, you don't know what's going on.
All right, Charles, want to sign off?
Hi. Calm down. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. These little babies are really happy, and Peeps is like, I don't want to get in here. Get out.
They're finally getting used to it and realizing we're not trying to kill them. And they're actually enjoying themselves now.
Yay! Yay! And Mr. Pooh over here is going crazy. Bad Mr. Pooh. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Look at you. I got mushy. Oh, you're mad. You're mad. He's like, I don't want to stay in here. Come on. Go on, get off. He's trying to eat everything. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, bleh. Here you go. Look at you. You did Are you eating the skin? Skin and all, I guess. You like it? You like everything? Okay. If you want to eat the skin, that's fine. Look at you. Oh, the portal of peas. Here you go. I'm trying to give it to them. Look at Peeps. She's like, these are my babies. You're not getting them. You're not giving them Peeps. These are not your babies. Technically, they're the ducklings. So that means
She adopted them. She's a mom.
half mom. You're half mom. Okay, Peeps. So stop trying to be mean to them. That is so cute. Look at it. Look at the Peeps. Look at it. They don't like me.
Almost got it. She's coming closer to you.
Can I get the peas, the real peas?